Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got the Mackie core metal in Zirc here with me for a review, and I'm gonna check it out from the look, sound, and feel perspective. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Check out fablades.com and at Fablades on Instagram. Let me see what's going on there. You might be thinking, anyways, you get a couple stickers, you get this card, you get the toy, most importantly, and the key to, this is the tool to remove to disassemble the bearing retainer. But anyways, here we get to see something very, very cool and rare. This is something unique, not unique, but I mean pretty rare. It's a limited edition. You cannot find this guy every day because it's just gone. So pretty cool spinner. This is like the 1, 2, 3 parts kind of spinning deal that Mackie has. For example, in this fusion right over here, you get the same concept of the core metal. In the core right here, you get the same concept. So you have one part in the center, 2 and 3. So same thing. See, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So you don't have 1, 2, and 3 in this one, but you have it in this. Or for example, you have it in this 1, 2, and 3 parts just independently spinning. Love the concept. I love the shape of this one with these grooves, these ridges, the 3 slots for the treats, and this is just glowing ink. And this fella just spins like crazy, guys. And you see the central part just trying to catch up. It just slowly rotates, right? You can hold this and just rotate the central part. You see, in the back, it just doesn't move, only the button. But in the front side, you have this pretty cool effect when you spin, you see, it doesn't move, just slowly rotates, or you just get this thing to spin. So that's a very unique, you can also hold it and just spin it like with your thumb, like that, and it's very pleasant. It's very unique way to hold the spinner, like so, and being able to rotate to spin the central ring. It's just gorgeous. I believe this is, I don't know if it's stainless steel. It doesn't say on the box. It just says, oh no, this is actually CC, so maybe cupronickel, Zirc and CC. I don't know. You can let me know in the comments because you probably know better than me. I'm still a noob, but I just can tell you that I love the finish. I love the blasted Zirc, of course. The weight on this fella is gonna be substantial. There's a lot of material going on over here, so you're definitely gonna feel this fella in the pocket at 129, almost 30 grams. Also, the size is like 47 millimeters wide and 15 millimeters tall. So pretty cool design for sure. The sound is a hissing sound. Not too loud, it's very pleasant on the inside. It's a little bit more, oops, it just unscrewed that, but yeah, it's a little bit more subtle, more contained, and less obtrusive. But still, this is a very stealthy toy, very good looking, feels great in the hand, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and as usual, stay tuned.